Hi Trailblazers, I'm Brian Curtis, I'm the principal at Shaw Road, and I'd like to welcome you to the 2021 school year and welcome you to our first ever virtual open house. Pretty safe to say in my 35 years of working in schools, we've never had a start to a school year like this. Probably safe to say that nobody's ever had a start to a school year like this. We're going to make it the best thing we can possibly put out there, and we've been working really hard for a couple of weeks now, actually months, trying to figure out all of the good tools that we can use to get you connected, even though you're not going to be here physically at school. We know that that's not the best situation. At some point we will get through that, and we also know it will not be like this forever. So in the meantime, we have lots of plans, and you're going to be hearing from your teachers just in a short bit, a little glimpse into who they are and what to expect in your grade levels. And then tomorrow morning, bright and early at 8:30, we're going to have you log into that computer, and you're going to join a Teams meeting and start meeting your teacher and your classmates. We are getting going. School starts September 3rd, and then we're going to jump into how your day is going to look, the routines you're going to establish, and then beyond that, with your families, parents, grandparents, guardians, whoever, we're going to start scheduling in the next week or so what we call Smart Start. And those are going to be meetings that you can have individually with your family and your teacher, online, virtual, and they can ask you some questions and get to know you better and help you through this virtual learning that we're going to do. But it all starts by charging up your computer, logging in at 8:30 tomorrow morning, and checking in and seeing what's going on and learning about your new classroom and your new classmates and your teacher. So welcome to the school year. We will get through this, and we know that it's very different for all of us. We will not be perfect all the time, but we will do our absolute best to make sure that things that aren't smooth, we get figured out, and if things aren't working in certain ways, we'll see where we can adjust and make things happen, both for students and parents alike. We will try to be as responsive as we can and get this all delivered to you, and it's a lot. So we appreciate that. We also appreciate that it's a different situation for every family. We'd like to welcome you once again. It's going to be a great school year, and we're going to look back someday and we're going to say this was very unique, and we did get through it, and we will get through it. So it all starts plugging in your computer, charging it up, opening up your computer, logging in tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. So now all you have to do is get a good night's sleep, get up in the morning, plug in, log in, be awesome, and don't forget, wash your hands.
Welcome back, Trailblazers. It's so great to have you back this year. We're having a virtual start to the year, so it's going to look a little bit different. Just wanted to say, I've seen some of you come in and pick up your computers, and it's been such a treat to see you and your parents. We're so looking forward to seeing you online at the beginning of our school year. So since we're starting virtually, we're looking at some of our regular Trailblazer rules that we want you to look at and to apply. So first off, in your virtual classrooms, make sure that you're being respectful and you're logging in on time, you have a workspace that you go to every day. The other one is make sure that you're being responsible. Let everybody have a turn in your virtual classroom. Charge your computer up every night so you're ready to go. Be safe. Make sure that you're using your computer and you're using appropriate technology and the right language in class. And don't forget, be kind. Be polite, encourage others in your classroom, and have a positive mindset. Those mindsets that we've been working on all last year. So I just wanted to welcome you back, Trailblazers. We really missed you. Hope you've had an awesome summer, and we'll see you soon on computer.
Hi Trailblazers, it's Miss Chromis, your counselor. I hope you all had a wonderful summer, and I want to welcome you back.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Shorter and I am the 3rd grade quest teacher this year. I'm so excited to meet all of my new students and I'm really looking forward to our first day of school. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye!
Hi, I'm Mrs. Turner. I teach the 4th grade quest class and I am really looking forward to reconnecting with the kiddos that were in my third grade class last year, and I'm super excited to meet any students who are new to Quest in fourth grade this year and or are joining us from another school. Look forward to seeing you all soon.
Hey Trailblazers, it's Mrs. DeBarbara. I teach 5th grade at Shaw Road Elementary. I am really excited to start the school year with you guys. We have a lot of wonderful returning class members, and we are excited to welcome some new kids to our class this year. See you on September 3rd.
Hi Trailblazers, my name is Mrs. Sykes and I teach 6th grade Quest. I am looking forward to this year, even though we're not starting in the traditional way, because I teach 6th graders who are the leaders of the school. I know you guys will live up to all the expectations that come with that, and I look forward to talking to you this week during Smart Start. See you soon.
Hello, Quest families. My name is Miss Shorter, and I am the 3rd grade Quest teacher this year at Shaw Road. I have the pleasure of working alongside Mrs. Turner, our 4th grade teacher, Mrs. DeBarbara, our 5th grade teacher, and Mrs. Sykes, our 6th grade teacher. We are all so excited to meet you. This school year is going to be so much fun. We know that right now the anticipation is growing, so I wanted to let you know about our top 5 things that you can expect in Quest this year. Number 1, you can expect to be engaged in a positive community. We're going to laugh a lot, we're going to joke around a lot, and in general, we're just going to have so much fun. Number 2, you can expect to be creative. You will think creatively and innovatively this year. Number 3, you can expect to be challenged and even work towards overcoming those challenges. Number 4, you can expect to strive towards your potential, getting better and better each day. And last but not least, you can expect to enjoy the ride. This year is going to be so much fun, and we are so excited to be able to enjoy this ride with each and every one of you. Again, we are so excited to meet you, and we will see you tomorrow.